Welcome to the INSEVIS video tutorials. My name is Fabian, and today I will show you how to create connections and data points in your IIoT devices. In the main menu, we find the two tabs, Connections and Data Points under Connections. All connections, both via S7 and via Modbus TCP, are created, and under Data Points, the corresponding data points. If we now have a look at the connections, here again, once the S7 connections, we have PC Secund T. You can assign the name freely. The IP address is the IP address of the PLC it is connected to. The TSAB enters itself here automatically from the rack in the slot. The INSEVIS TSAB is preset. You can, of course, change it to another suitable TSAB, for example, for Siemens devices. When I ping here, I get a response. The connection is running. You could add new connections here, or remove them again. If I press Save to Device here, everything is saved. I can export it. Now, if I just go back like this, then I cancel this change. We'll see the same thing again here for Modbus TCP as well. Here, the connection is simply called Connection 1. Of course, we can rename it. And then the connection is now also called PC1017T. The LP address is the same. The port status is currently inactive, but if I ping it, because it's the same IP address, it will definitely be recognized. If I save this now, the whole thing is done. And now the address is also called that. That means when I go out here, I see the same name on both of them. Now let's take a look at the data points themselves. Here under 7, we see an empty table so far. We can add individual data points. Can the then here, modify them, also with the keyboard. I can share them with OPC UA Node-RED or the WebVisu. I can also mark all data points now and share them via A. Change all of them at the same time to change something. This is, of course, much too tedious if you would have to rewrite a complete PLC program by hand like this. Therefore, there is the import function. Now the suggests yes here, the connected S7. Now I can select the program from the Cymatic Manager, the TIA portal, or a VisuStage program. Then I select the program and already it imports me the data, which now in the case from the VisuStage program. I can also enable this for Node-RED, OPC UA, and so on. Can still modify here when it's done then save the whole thing with save the device. So now we have our data points created. Do we want to export them? Once there is the possibility to export this list as a CSV file, there we press freely on it and it starts directly a download. Is the CSV file saved? Of course, this is only a rudimentary list. If we want to save our complete data points and connection settings, we just go to System, Backup, and Update. Do you have any download? And already we have our connection and data points saved and automatically downloaded directly. And of course, just as easily, we can upload this file back here. And that's installed. That's how fast it goes. That's it from me on the connection and data points. Thanks for watching. See you next time at INSEVIS video tutorials.